In this video, I'll show you how you can fix CS2 is stuck or freezing in the map loading screen. The first thing we want to do is update all of our drivers. So search for Device Manager, go to Display Adapters, right click and update the driver. And then you also want to make sure that you have the latest software for this one. So this is my GPU name, but you probably have another one. But you want to Google your GPU name and then type driver or software after. And in my case, it will be this NVIDIA one. So once you've downloaded that, you want to make sure that you take the latest update in here as well. So download that one. And once you've done that, you can check if it works. If it still doesn't work, come here on the Steam, right click on Counter-Strike 2, go to Properties, type this launch options right here. You can just pause the video and check. We want to make sure that you make a dash before you type it, and then you want to make a space after the next one, and then dash, and again. It's -cl underscore disable htmimod space 1 space dash setting dot mem underscore level space 0. Keep that one, and then you want to head over to installed files and press verify integrity of game files. Once you've done that, open browse, go into game, bin, Windows, find CS2 and right click, go to properties, head over to compatibility, try and activate these two, apply and OK, and then launch the game. If it's still not working, try and run this in the compatibility mode, so apply and OK, and see if it works now. After all this, it should hopefully work. If it still doesn't, I recommend that you restart your PC and that you also reinstall Counter-Strike 2. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.